Imagine you are all geared up for a fantastic ride, you turn the key, and your motorcycle dashboard lights up perfectly. But then you press the starter button, and all you hear is silence or perhaps a weak click. It is a frustrating moment for any rider, leaving you wondering why your bike is not springing to life. Your motorcycle's dashboard lights coming on but failing to start typically means that while the electrical system has enough power for low-draw accessories like the lights, there is insufficient power or a critical interruption preventing the high current demands of the starter motor or fuel pump from operating correctly. The core reason for this discrepancy lies in the varying power requirements of different electrical components. Your dashboard lights, horn, and turn signals need only a small amount of electrical current to function. However, the starter motor, which cranks the engine, requires a massive surge of power from your battery. If the battery is weak or has a poor connection, it can easily supply enough juice for the lights but fail when asked to deliver the significant amperage needed to turn over the engine. To troubleshoot this issue, you can start by checking your battery terminals. Ensure they are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. A loose or corroded connection can impede the flow of high current. Next, listen closely when you press the starter button. A rapid clicking sound often points to a severely discharged battery, while a single, loud click might indicate a stuck starter motor or a problem with the starter solenoid. You should also check the main fuses, as a blown fuse in a critical circuit like the fuel pump or ignition system can prevent starting even with dash lights working. Consider the age of your battery. A motorcycle battery typically lasts between 2 and 5 years. As batteries age, their ability to hold a charge and deliver high cold cranking amps diminishes significantly, especially in colder weather. Also, be mindful of your motorcycle's tip-over sensor, which is designed to cut power to the engine if the bike is laid down. Even a minor drop or awkward parking angle can sometimes activate this sensor, preventing a start until it is reset by turning the key off and on again, or by riding the bike if it was leaning too far. Understanding these potential causes empowers you to quickly diagnose and often fix common starting problems, ensuring you spend less time troubleshooting and more time enjoying the open road with confidence.